saving money is an ideal initiative to prepare yourself financially to ensure a more peaceful future. However, many people do not know how to take the necessary steps to have this financial control. Therefore, it is important for you to understand that to save money efficiently and without harming your finances, it is necessary to have a financial education. In this way, you will be able to adapt financial planning that, in addition to ensuring a calmer current financial scenario, will also help in your future. That's why we've separated this complete video with all the information you need to save money. Follow our tips below. After all, why is it important to have an emergency fund? First, you need to understand that having an emergency reserve is essential to ensure a peaceful financial situation and away from unexpected situations. It is important to know that financial control is essential for everyone. In this way, it is possible to ensure a more peaceful future for you and your family. In addition, by having greater control of your finances, you will be able to create a good plan. With this, it becomes simpler and more practical to fulfill your dreams and goals, such as buying a property. So it is crucial to learn the best ways to save money efficiently. What to consider before thinking about saving money? It is crucial to know that before thinking about saving money, it is essential to pay attention to some important details. You need to use a spreadsheet to do your planning, and make a comparison of all your monthly and annual expenses and earnings, among other practices. Also, you need to understand that it is necessary to pay off all your debts and make your money work. That way, you will be able to save money and maximize your future earnings. However, you need to have the financial education to apply the correct measures in your financial budget. Keep watching and check out some tips that we separate below. Compare your earnings and expenses. One of the best ways to save money is to understand all the spending and earnings you make on a monthly or yearly basis. Even if it's obvious, this is one of the first steps you should take to have a financial balance. However, you need to understand that it is important to write down all these accounts manually or digitally. It is only through this data that you will get a sense of your entire financial situation. Use a spreadsheet or application for financial planning. It is worth remembering that when using spreadsheets or applications, you will have an important aid to organize all finances. These tools are essential for this organization, especially if you have a large family. That is, the more people within a family environment, the more care must be taken to maintain financial balance. Therefore, it is essential to use spreadsheets, because it is through them that you will organize all your monthly costs and will have a forecast of future expenses. In addition, this is a way to have a digital aid to organize yourself in a simple and practical way. However, remember to be organized to put your notes in one place. That way, you won't be confused when you're looking for a specific expense. Consider cutting unnecessary expenses. This is another necessary measure that you need to be able to save money. Take stock together with your family and see what superfluous expenses can make cuts. You can start with food. Start doing research between the markets and making lunchboxes to avoid unnecessary expenses with food on the street. Another important point is to analyze household bills, such as cell phone plans, subscription services, TV packages, among others. If you want to save money, it is essential to write down all these expenses and analyze how to reduce these costs. In addition, it is also possible to analyze other expenses, such as eating out every week. These costs can be lower, just get organized together with your family members. That way, you will be able to reach your goals in a faster, more effective way and without compromising your current moment. Before you think about saving money, pay off all your debts. It is essential for you to understand that before saving money, it is necessary to pay off the debts that hinder your finances. That way, you will achieve a financial balance that will ensure a more prosperous future for you and your family. If the debts are very high, contact the companies and see the best way to pay off all these pending issues. However, make agreements with installment amounts that fit in your pocket. With this, you will pay off debts without directly affecting your financial balance. It's not enough to save money, you have to make it work. As we said earlier, before saving money, you need to pay off debts. Once you've paid all your outstanding debts, you'll be able to save money. Therefore, look for safe options to save your money, such as a digital account with income that can generate benefits greater than savings. However, if you are not very knowledgeable about these ways to save money, consult finance tips from experts in the field. That way, you will save your money and make it work for the future. Set goals to create a focus to save money. Another way to save money in the short, medium, and long term is to set goals. For example, to invest in a property, a car, or a trip. With this, you will make projections of what measures should be taken to achieve what you established in that period. In this way, you will reduce your expenses, improve your financial planning, and your priorities will start to make sense in the long term, because in the future you and your family will be in a more peaceful financial situation. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel for future videos like this. Thanks.